Hey Feelin' Oh Too Good family, it's Katie. I just wanted to give you a quick tutorial on how to make a really nice ginger lemon infusion. And just tell you a little bit about why you should be drinking it like all day long right now. I know I am. So first step is you're gonna take about this much ginger, so like half a thumb of ginger, and you're gonna peel it. So you're gonna peel the skin off of it and expose just basically like just the inside of it, okay? So, take that. And so the reason we should be drinking this all day long is basically, so ginger has volatile oils in it that stimulate the immune system, that are both antibacterial and antiviral. And also there's specific compounds in ginger like gingerols and zingerone, probably saying that wrong. But basically those two have been found to inhibit viral replication and prevent viruses from entering host cells. So right now we could use all of that superpower that ginger has. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to cut the ginger up into little pieces. So like I like to cut it up like into pieces like that big or smaller. And then you're going to put it in your mug, and then you're going to take your lemon. You're going to take a good slice of lemon. Oop, about this big. Okay. You're going to squeeze it in your mug. And lemon, as you know, or maybe you don't, is really high in vitamin C, so it's really good for your immune system. It's a really great boost. And it also has antibacterial and antiviral properties as well. So basically this is like super duper jam-packed with exactly what we need right now. So you just pour some hot water in it. You let it sit for about, I like to let it sit for like 3 minutes. Let it really, sink in. And I'll just keep refilling this same mug over and over again all day. So not only are you getting really well hydrated, you're drinking lots of water, but you're also really boosting your immune system and helping your body to, ward off anything that might be out there. And it's just really good for you. So just drink it all day long. That's what I'm doing. Hope and you found that useful, and stay well, and I'll see you soon. Okay, bye.